YouTube, it's Tiara and I'm back with a video. This time I'm doing another hair review. I had got a package and this time it is Beauty Forever hair. And I had gotten seen a lot of reviews on Beauty Forever hair and I wanted to try it out myself. So this is going to be an honest review. This is my first time ordering from Beauty Forever hair. Let's just see how it goes. This is how it comes in. I actually ordered it maybe a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just now doing this review because I want everybody to see it with me. So let's get into it. All right, scissors, package. All right, I'm gonna just open it up. I think I've been waiting for long enough. So far, now, I haven't opened it all the way. So far, like, looking at the side reminds me of Victoria's Secret. So, I guess I do like the box. The box is really heavy. I guess they just crammed everything in here. The box is actually heavy. This is actually what it looks like. It has all the hair care on the back. And, okay, I see, you know, I'm actually really excited. Okay, so I don't exactly know what I ordered. I think I ordered 3 bundles or 2 bundles and a frontal. I don't really remember. I know it wasn't a wig because that's what I was looking for and I couldn't find it. Well, I couldn't find one that was suitable for my price, so let's be clear. But I ordered this a few weeks ago, so let's get into it. Okay, so I actually did order 3 bundles. What I was actually looking for was that paper telling me everything I got, because of course I don't remember. But okay, so okay, it's in here. I can get it with my nails. So I ordered a 14-inch frontal, 22 and 24. Okay, I ordered a 22 and 2 24s, and I had ordered within like 5 minutes, so I got a free headband and a scarf. On the website, when you order, it's like ordering within 5 minutes, you get free gifts. So I was like, hey, why not? So that's what I did. And again, a 14-inch frontal, 2 24s, and a 22-inch bundle. And I do remember I did order body wave because I wanted straight so bad, but they didn't have it for the same price. So I was like, let me get body wave, even though that wasn't my first choice. But here's all the bundles. Let me get into that last and show y'all everything that I got in the box. Let me just sit it somewhere. And that is my frontal. Okay, so they sent a black weaving cap. I would have thought it would have been tan, but hey, a black weaving cap. The headband, which I probably won't be using, but you know, you never know, I might switch it up a little bit. And the scarf, which I will be using, you know, to tie up these edges. You know, a silk scarf. Yes, it is silk. It's a silk scarf, not just a regular scarf. It's a silk scarf, and you know, it's kind of cute. You know, it's kind of cute. It's free. Anything free is cute. So I'm gonna put all that back in the box and get into the hair. So I'm gonna do the frontal last because frontals are like my favorite thing. So I am doing that last. These bundles, let me just say, they are heavy. They are heavy. Like, they really are heavy. I'm trying to find. Okay, let's get into the 22-inch, which I don't know why I did 3 bundles when I could have got away with just 2 bundles, but I think it was just the deal that was going on. But at the bottom it has 22 inch, and I like how it comes in these kind of bags, the zip lock bags, just in case like I have some left over, I can put it back into the bag. Like, I don't like the ones that, you know, you just stick it back together. Like, I like the Ziploc bag, so that's definitely a plus. And before I even unwrapped all of this, like, I haven't even all the way unwrapped it, I can automatically tell that this hair is silky. The way it just fell out of this net was silky. And right from the start, this hair is brown, which I love. Like, this, I see where all the hype is from. Like, this hair, oh my gosh, like, it's so thick from root to end. Like, I wonder if you could tell, it's so thick all the way to the ends. Can't really see it, but I'm doing the best I can. All the way to the ends. And it's definitely body wave. Definitely body wave, but like, look at that bounce. Do y'all not see that? And this is so thick. It's so thick. Like, you know, I don't know why people do that. Who cares? Everything looks pretty good. Of course, no shedding, but you really can't tell the shedding until you actually install it. But I'm just shocked about how thick it is. Like, it's really thick. But, you know, that's kind of expected to be the 22 inch, because 22 inches is sort of like the cutoff, length of when it starts getting really thin. But this hair is gorgeous. Like, I'm kind of happy I ordered body wave. Like, I want it straight, but I'm actually really happy I ordered this body wave, because this body wave is pretty. And when I freshly wash my hair and let it naturally state it out, like, this is going to be pretty. Like, look at this. Yeah, this is so pretty. I'm not going to unravel it, of course, because I'm going to wait to do that at the end of my install. But I'm kind of happy with this 22 inch. Like, I really could have got away with 2 bundles, because this is so thick. I really want to show y'all. It's so thick at the ends. It's really thick, because you know how hair gets really, like, I don't know if they cut it, but this is good quality. Like, this is nice. But I guess, you know, we really can't see until you wear it for a couple of weeks and, you know, start curling it, straightening, everything else like that. But let's get into the 24 inch. Put that on the side, because I'm not going to just sit there and just pet hair all day long. But this is the 24 inch. Hopefully it's 24 and not 222s. Let me check again. Yeah, it does say 24 in this bag. Now, I am going to compare the 2 lengths together just to make sure one is actually longer than the other automatically. Yeah, I can tell just by feeling it, it's longer. It's just as silky, just as bouncy, just as thick. You can tell a little bit, it's a little bit thinner, of course, because it's 24 inches. Of course, the longer the length, the thinner the bundle is going to actually get, as you can tell. But it's definitely pretty. Like, this, like, do y'all not see how fast this thing moves? And look how thick those ends are too. But let me compare it real quick. Okay, This right here is the 24. This right here is the 22. As you can see, the 22 looks thicker. And this is the 24. You can both see the shine in the hair. Look at the wave pattern. Like, isn't that beautiful? Like, you can definitely tell this one is thicker and this one is thinner. And comparing both the wefts, this is actually the 22 and this is the 24. The 24 actually looks bigger, but they look about the same. But here's both of them together, and you can tell in the length how much of the difference it is. Cuts off about right here. So I guess they are pretty true to length. It's definitely thick. Like, it's definitely thick. And this is just 2 bundles. So imagine how much hair I will have when I make this into a wig. Of course, I'm going to make it into a wig because I'm not doing sew-ins. But this hair is amazing to feel. It's not so silky where it's just, you know, it's not going to look real. But it's really thick where it's, you just know it's going to be bomb. Like, you ain't got to say no more. Like, this hair is going to be bomb. Like, I'm excited. I'm really excited. I should have opened this a long time ago. Hurry up and install it. I need to take this out. Like, come on now. Alright, so those are the 2 bundles. Those are the 2 bundles. And there's no flyaways. No flyaways. They got like little tiny flyaways, which you can't even see. But that is one thing about me. And I'm definitely going to show y'all in the frontal how much exactly flyaways there are, because nobody wants so many flyaways. That's what a lot of people don't show is flyaways. Of course, it's no tangling in the hair. I mean, it's fresh hair. Why would it tangle? But let's get into the frontal. And it's a 14-inch. For some reason, I always order a 14-inch frontal because I think more about my bangs. I don't really do long frontals because I want my hair to be a layer effect, because I end up layering my hair at the end. So one thing I noticed is it's a brown lace. I don't really care for brown laces. I really honestly thought I ordered transparent, but this is a brown lace and it's huge. Of course, I ordered 13 by 6. It's a must that I get 13 by 6. I like my middle parts to be super long, but this is a 13 by 6 frontal. Let me compare it to my skin complexion, because I do not like this. Like, I'm not trying to look like Casper. So it's not bad. It's not bad. But I prefer transparent and not a light brown lace, because it really doesn't match. Well, it doesn't match. It looks really ashy, if you know what I mean. It looks really ashy on me. But of course, it's gonna have to do. I guess y'all have to see in my next video to see if it worked out. But the frontal is okay. It's already I don't know if you could see it. I do have some hairs. You can see those hairs. I do have some hairs coming out. I do have some hairs coming out already, and it's not even installed. I got some more hair. Wow. Kind of disappointed with the frontal a little bit, but because this is like my favorite part, because the frontal makes your hair. Doesn't really look pre-plucked. I mean, it looks pre-plucked a little bit. You gotta get it up close, but it's not too much plucked, but it's okay because I pluck it anyway. But it's thick. It's thick. It's nice. The color looks exactly like the other hair, but it's supposed to be body wave, and I understand it's 14 inches, but I would have figured I would have had a little bit more wave to that. Wave is just at the end, but it's okay because I wanted silky straight hair, so I'm gonna end up straightening this hair anyway. So I'm not gonna really judge that too much, but you can tell it's really thick right up here in the frontal, right in the middle. As you can see it's really thick, of course, for the middle part. The parts look good. The knots need to be bleached, of course, but overall, I guess the frontal's okay. I mean, it's not major, but you can automatically see the baby hairs. It comes with baby hairs. You see all the baby hairs right there. I gotta pull them down because they're all brushed back. But so far from everything with this hair, the only thing I'm disappointed is the light brown lace. But I noticed on their website that a lot of their stuff has light brown lace, which isn't convenient for a lighter complexion person. And that's about it. Of course, the 13x6 is definitely true. Well, it's definitely true. I don't know if you can see it. Hair's kind of like going everywhere, but it's definitely true. But their website's not really too hard to navigate, but everything I ordered with the 3 bundles in this frontal, I got it cheaper for body wave than I would have gotten for straight hair, which is odd. Ideally, I wanted straight hair, but for the price, I had to get body wave. I'll have to, whenever I do an install, I will tell you how much exactly I spent on this hair, because I got to go back on my information and get all of that, because y'all know I'm on an affordable budget for everybody, trying to get everybody to hook up on hair. And I will let y'all know in the next video, so stick around for that. But just know I paid a good price for this, because I'm not paying $300-400 for AliExpress hair. I'm just letting you know. I'm not going to do that, especially not in my pocket. But this is definitely thick. The color and everything is right. It did. Yeah, and it's still shedding now, but overall, I do like the hair. The quality is good. The color is good. Has the shedding light brown lace, which I don't like, but it's good for a darker complexion person. The price is excellent. Of course, I have to let y'all know in the next video how much exactly I spent on 224s, 122, and a 14-inch frontal. Of course, if you order within 5 minutes, you get. But yes, this is Beauty Forever hair. 22, 24, and another 24, 14-inch frontal. And I will be making a wig in my next video and an install video, so make sure you watch the series of it. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, press that like button, also turn on the notifications, let you know whenever I post a video. And thank you for watching.